Korean street toast, a veggie-packed breakfast sandwich that's absolutely delicious, starring humble and budget-friendly cabbage. I always have cabbage in my fridge to add to sandwiches and stir-fries. It lasts forever and it's very neutral tasting. To make the eggy mixture, whisk an egg with salt and pepper until loose. Add green onions, the shredded cabbage, and some julienne carrots. Mixing everything together until the egg just barely clings to the veggies. I like thick slices of milk bread, but any kind of sandwich bread will work. Butter and toast on both sides, and whatever you do, don't skip this step thinking it's unnecessary. In the same pan, cook the eggy vegetable mixture, shaping the sides so it's squarish. Basically, this is a veggie omelet. The Korean flavor element comes in a sprinkle of sugar right on top, which adds a sweet, tangy flavor. Some smoky ham, sharp cheddar cheese, thick drizzles of mayo, and either ketchup or sriracha. I just like the smoky heat of sriracha. And now it's time to assemble.